This is a review for the ZO Skin Health, which is by Obagi. So Obagi is such a great brand that has been out on the market for quite some time, and this is their newer brand. These products are absolutely incredible. I have slowly switched over every single one of my skincare products to this brand because I have been so satisfied with the results. This is one of my favorite products by them. So this is called the Growth Factor Serum. So when I think of a serum, I think of like a liquidy type product, but this one is more of a gel. The container is really cool. So all you do is you just press in and it will pump out exactly what you need for a one-time use. And then, like I said, it's more of like a gel consistency, but it is very hydrating. And then you just put that on your skin. Now, this is gonna be the last step in your skincare routine at nighttime. So my nighttime routine is I'll typically wash my face, and then I do love these complexion renewal pads, so I'll do that. And then I'll do my retinol, of course, which I use the wrinkle and texture repair, and then I'll do this as my last step. But overall, this product is amazing. I love the way it makes my skin feel. It will make your skin just feel so much more hydrated, and it is clinically proven to improve the appearance of your skin, thickness, and elasticity. So many different benefits to this product. It's absolutely wonderful. I would say just stick with it because the longer you use it, the more benefits you'll continue to see. This is the ZO Skin Health Growth Factor Serum.